Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a small okay, not real small, but a small AliExpress haul. And I always open on camera. It's just a good thing, especially like eBay and, well, anything at all. Film it, even if you're not going to show it on YouTube because, oh, this is for my goat. Because if there is a problem, you have proof that there it was right in the opening. Pictures are good, but look at that. My little, that's for one of my little well, I guess she's about 6 months old, one of my little girls. Goats. Let's see what else I got. I have been buying small orders. Oh, not bad. Small orders on AliExpress because should something happen and I had to pay, what do you call them, tariffs, I don't want to have a great big order and get caught. A little slower opening. Aren't these cute? Look at these for Blythe beads. Or you could make ornaments. You could do Blythe beads is what I bought it for. I just thought it was cute. Tina at Tina's Reborns and More does Grinchmas every year, and I join in. And I got those thinking maybe I'd use them. All right. And I have an idea for that. All right, come on, open up. Here we go. These are cute, real cute. These will go with the others. These were really cheap too. They're like $1.42 for, I don't know what's in here, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yep. These are, turn it around, move my big fat finger. Isn't that cute?
Still in an ornament.
Yeah. Iconic Grinch hand. Shut that because I don't want those rolling everywhere. Honestly, I forget what I order because it takes so long to get here now. It takes everything so long to get. Oh, that's a collar for my goat. That'll go with that bell. Well, actually it won't. It could. It could. Those were on sale for like $1.42. If you need dog collars, goat collars, llama collars. And, oh, this is for one of my dolls. I want to set up a display I'm working on slowly. It's a sled dog scene with the sleds and the 18-inch dolls. And I needed some coats, and this was cheap enough, so I bought one. Oh, I like that purple too. Darren used to race in purple, but his, of course, was a royal purple, not grape or girly purple. That's really cute. It's got a zipper. Let's take a look. Oh, that's, wow. This was like $3.50. And look at this. It's probably me on the zipper, not the zipper. There we go. There we go. Oh, that is cute. Well, maybe. Oh, I was pulling the wrong side. And it's lined. And it's actually, I mean, like has real jacket weight to it. Odd. And the hat is cute, and it's got this fake fur. Boy, this is a cute little jacket. I think these are like $4 and $5 now, but that's cute. And it's snowproof, waterproof. That's good for a musher. And then it came with these stockings, which is really cute. Yeah, I'm very pleased with my order today. Stay tuned. I have more coming. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.